Hello guys, so this is the question. Consider a vector. This is the vector given where x, y, z represents unit vector. So what is given? It represents unit vector. So what does a unit vector means? In the form of 1. So we should know what is unit vector first. Then we can only understand how to solve this question. So when they say unit vector, we have to normalize the process by converting a vector into unit vector. So we have given the term vector. So we need to what? Convert it into unit vector. And how we achieve it? When we divide magnitude. When we divide magnitude or the length. Okay. When we divide magnitude or length of vector by its magnitude, then we calculate unit vector. So let's solve this problem. The directional derivative of the function f x y z is given, and also at the point x y z 1 1 1 is given. So we need to find out the directional derivative of this function of u is. So let's calculate. Let's write the function. Let's write the function first. Function of f x y z as given in question. So this is the function, and also the direction vector is given. Direction vector is given as, let's consider this term as I, this term as j, and this term as k. Also, what we need to find? Directional derivative at point x, y, z equals to 1, 1, 1. For this question, we first need, step 1, to find gradient f for this function. So, we need to find partial derivative of this function. To find partial derivative sign is like this, and derivative is like this. Partial derivative of function f with respect to x. For with respect to x as follows. F of x, y, z is what? This equation. So, partial derivative of this function with respect to x is what? Twice ln xy plus ln yz plus 3 ln xz. So this can be also written as twice ln of xy plus ln of yz plus ln of xz. Now let's calculate each term. For this, del x ln xy equals to what? 1 upon xy into y will be what? Y upon xy will be what? 1 upon x. And same for the other term, del x of ln yz will be 0. This term is 0 because with respect to x, there is no term here present. So similar for del x of ln xz, we will have 1 upon xz into z, and we will have at final 1 upon x. So putting it all together, we will have del f of del x equals to what? Twice of x plus 0th term plus 3 by x. Now we can add all this term, which will give us 5 by x. We calculated this in terms of x. Now the same way, just replace this in terms of y. So we will calculate in respect of y. It's partial derivative with respect to y. With respect to y. Let's calculate derivative of this function with respect to y. So which will given as 2 times del y ln x into y plus del y ln y into z plus 3 times del y ln x into z. Let's calculate each term as calculated here. As we find out for x, for y, now we need to calculate with respect to z. Del f by del z equals to what? Twice of del z ln x y plus del z ln y z plus 3 del z ln x z ln x y. So no z come here, so it will be of course 0. Then del z ln y z will be 1 by y z into z will be 1 by y, of course. So now you know we have calculated this much. So we calculated this for step 1, which was to calculate gradient. So the gradient is denoted as this. So gradient is calculated as, for x we calculated 5 by x, for y 3 by y, and for z 4 by z. So we have 5 by x, 3 by y, and 4 by z. As in the question mentioned, we have given the points x, y, z as 1 1 1. So let's replace this. We will write down as 5 by 1 comma 3 by 1 comma 4 by 1, which will give me gradient 5 3 4. As we have calculated unit vector now final is to calculate direct derivative of function with respect to the unit vector. So to calculate directional derivative, step number 3, calculate directional derivative. So directional derivative can also be written as duf, and which is the dot product, means it is the multiplication dot product of what? Gradient vector and unit vector. our directional derivative comes out to be 7.